Hey, hello everyone, welcome to my channel Elite Engineer, and today I'm going to show you how to make a professional website with WordPress. So basically I have made two websites, one from Blogger and one from WordPress. So basically if you want to make some professional website, okay, so you should think of WordPress. Why? Because I have done two things. First of all, I made one website from Blogger. Second one, I have made one website from WordPress. And the best thing is WordPress provides much more better features as compared to our Blogger. I will show you my both the websites, and from where I learned this, from where you can learn for free of cost. I will show you that. First of all, there's a link in the description. Go there, click that link, and how to approach that link I will tell you. First of all, I will show you my site, how it will look like. See, this is my this blog which I have made. Not blog, you can say I have made this website sample project 1.gq. Why GQ? If I want to purchase a domain, it will be costly. I have to pay money, so I have purchased this for free of cost. That's why this is GQ. It's different domains we can purchase for free of cost. This I made for my college, MTech. I'm doing MTech, and this is how it looks like. See this: welcome, awesome thinkers. We are awesome thinkers, creative explorer, and we are NITians. Fine. So I'm studying in NIT. That's why. Backside, see my college logo is there. My college, basically my college, full college is there. Okay, this building, and here is my branch name, and this is my college logo. This I have think. That's why I made this website. Fine. This full tutorials is there in this site, which I am going to tell you after that. But first I'm going to show you how I made this. Fine. See, then this is about us, our college faculties. This is our college students, and this is our assignments which I have got. This website I made for my classmates for assignments, and this all links are working. Like home is my this front page only. This will load. See, it's loading. Fine, it will load, and this main page will only open. If students I click, student will open. If I click on assignments, our assignment will open. Whichever assignment is there. Fine. So this is all about this my website with WordPress. Now I'll show you how to make this website, like where you have to go to learn this development of this website. Fine. So you have to go to this WordPress, the website link which I have mentioned in the link. This is of Udemy. Fine. So first of all, we have to nothing, no need to do anything. Just I will do 1 minute. Here apply coupon option is there. Fine. In apply coupon, what you have to apply is some link you have to apply. I will tell you which is that link. 1 minute, wait. This is my link, Moneymakers Academy 1. I'll paste this link here in coupons, Moneymaker link Academy 1. Fine. So this is applied now. So this is only for 23 hours. It is written here for 23 hours. It has become for free of cost. That 12,800 rupees free of cost. Fine. Now what I have to do is now enroll. Now I have to do. Now it will ask me to put my email ID. If I'm new, I don't know. I don't have my email ID, so I'll put my name. Like my name is Mayank. Fine. And my email ID, let us consider my email ID is this. I put my email ID and my password. I just type my password. Okay, I just sign up. Fine, I have just signed up. Now I'll do enroll. It'll show some options that I am already enrolled in this course. Now this course is mine. I can start learning this course. Just we have to wait for a few minutes because of net speed. So I was telling you I have made one Blogger website also. How to make that Blogger website? It's pretty easy to make that Blogger website. I will show you my website also, which I made. Two websites basically I have made. One, see, this is also open. First I will tell you about WordPress course. So here from start the course, you can start this course, and it will tell you step by step how to make this website which I have made. This is basically the professional looking website which I was showing you. See, this my website. This is the website which I have developed only in one day, single day. And also one more advantage, after learning this course you will get certificate also. See, I'll show you proof also. See, this is a certificate which I have got after learning this. So this I have learned on 18th April. I've taken this course on 18th April. I've learned this and I've got certificate also. Fine. So I don't want to show this more. I'll tell you about this WordPress. Now this is fine. This all course content is there. Why you want to learn, just put anything else, whatsoever you want. I don't care whatsoever you're putting in this. Fine. So now go to that course. This course has started now. You can start learning this course, and at the end of that, see, here it is written, get Udemy certificate after completing this course. Complete this course and get some certificate. Fine, this certificate is valid, or you can get much more experience after learning this. Fine. So this is about WordPress. Fine, I'll close the WordPress. Now if you want to make with Blogger hardly it will take 10 minutes to make, not 10 minutes also, hardly 5 minutes to take this Blogger. If you want to learn, you can comment me, I'll tell you how to make. I'll show you my website if you want. Fine, wait, I'll show you my Blogger website which I made. This is my Blogger website which is opening, which I have made for my YouTube channel. Also I have one more Blogger website which is my professional website, which I have making content for my stories and all. I'll show you that also. See, this is my Blogger website. This is basically a website which I have made. So in this all links, see, wherever I will go, it will be perfectly fine. This Udemy courses which all are available. You can just click on the image. It will show you whichsoever course is there. If you want to enroll any other course, I'll provide the link of my blog in the description. You can go there, you can search. See, there's so many courses, artificial intelligence and all. Whichever course is good for you, I will make that separate videos on that. Only 24 hours are left. If you want to enroll, just go and enroll as quick as possible. Fine. So see, this is my YouTube channel. I'll click here, I'll go directly to my YouTube channel. Fine. Like this I have made this. See, this is my YouTube channel. Like this I have made every thing here, like my poems and story blog, everywhere you will click, this is perfectly go to that same place only. This is not a difficult task to create. It is very easy. Fine, so I'll just close it. There's so many things I want to show you in the next, like my Blogger. I'll create that one also and I'll show. Till then, thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching this. So meet you in the next videos. Thank you.